The truth is that you were born perfect. You were born innocent. You were born absolutely pure. And that pure, innocent child is your foundation. That pure, innocent child, that joy, that freedom you felt as a child, the ability to laugh that you felt as a child, that is always accessible. So many of us reach it by relying on substances. And I'm hearing so clearly that sometimes substances are part of the path too. Those altered states that substances can bring us to, it can be part of the path, but it can't be as high as you go if you really want to go as far as you can go. The message for today is to come into alignment with yourself in the purest way that you can come into alignment with yourself. Bring all of your energy in towards you. Call in all of the parts of you that you've rejected. Consciously accept all parts of your life that you have deemed unwanted, not good enough. Call it all back in. It's okay that I'm not healthy right now. It's okay that I'm not happy right now. I accept it. I accept it. I accept the part of me that's falling short. I accept the part of me that is living in lack. I accept the part of me that's angry. So there's this pulling back in of all of your energy, accepting all of it, because you can only start from where you are right now. When you pull all of that back in, you sit up straight and tall. So when you're in alignment, it's energetic, but it can be brought on by your physical posture. That's why meditation has always been done sitting straight upright. When you're a baby and you're suddenly able to sit upright, that is a major shift in consciousness. Major shift in consciousness when most of your days are spent sitting upright. There's an activation that happens when you sit upright. If you are unwell and you are not able to sit upright, just imagine that you are sitting upright. That's how powerful your mind is. You sit up straight. You feel the way the top of your head is connected to the sky. All the stars in the galaxy. Feel the way your tailbone is connected to the core of the earth. And you are instantly a pole, a pillar of light, with a positive end and a negative end, like a battery, but you are a self-charging battery. Your energy is infinite. Your capacity to heal and to change is infinite when you're truly in alignment. This is literally and figuratively and energetically. And keep your mind on the expansiveness of reality that's mirrored in the cosmos, infinite potential in this 3D realm. It's mirrored in the cosmos. When you connect to God, you're connecting to the infinite. And then you stay connected to the earth. You stay connected to the earth by spending time in nature, observing nature, putting your bare feet on the earth. When you eat foods that come directly from the earth, from the animals and plants of the earth, directly, then you're creating an energetic loop that keeps your body alive, keeps your body present on the earth. That is your literal attachment to the earth and to the sky. Sending healing energy from my heart to your heart. Connecting my heart to your heart like a Bluetooth connection. Calling you in. Calling in the real you. That innocent child inside of you is also the part of you that is infinite. That drop of source energy that is deep within your heart, is vibrating at the level of Christ consciousness. It is literally your soul. My soul and your soul are a golden raindrop from the ocean of God. Just feel the way that we are connected to each other and to everyone who's with us on this earth right now, everyone who has ever been here, everyone who will ever be here, everyone who has ever had an interest in anyone who's here. We're all connected. Through time and space, we are all one. We are all a part and particle of the ocean of God. So many of you who are out of alignment and don't know how to come back into alignment. It starts within. It will never start by putting your focus on changing another. It will always start within. The decision to love, the decision to take better care of yourself. The decision to believe that change is possible. Could start with the simple decision to put your focus on your heart center, right in the middle of your chest. And just breathe. Just feel your lungs, feel your breath. Feel into that space right in the middle of your chest. Put your attention on that location. The more you put your attention there, the more you can start to feel how infinite it is. So much space in there. So much space. So much stillness. Seat of your soul, the seat of your truth. Simplify your focus. Sometimes when you sit like this, your body will rebel against you. Your mind will rebel against you. Maybe for the first time, you're able to see just how many thoughts are going through your head. And then it speeds up even faster. And it feels like it's impossible to slow down. Next thing, you can't sleep. How can you expect your mind to calm down enough to sleep when you never give it the chance to calm down when you're awake? You just start it in a simple way. Put your attention on your breath. Put your attention in the middle of your heart. If you're able to achieve this for 3 or 4 or 5 seconds, you're officially a meditator. That's the message. That is the message that wants to be channeled through me.